How to apply test event code. To ensure that events are being received correctly, you can utilize the test event code provided by Facebook. So here I am in Event Manager. In test events, you will get the test event code, copy it and paste it in your Infinite Facebook and TikTok Pixel app. Click on the save button. So here our test event code is applied. Now let's move to the store. Here I am visiting this page. Let me add any product to cart. Let's see, is test event code working. Here you can see our page view is processed. Now let me purchase anything. Now reload this page. Move back to the store and reload this page. Here you can see all the activities are being triggered. This is how the test event code works. Our purchase is also triggered. Let's see the analytics. Here we go.